In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a new job update on LinkedIn using the mobile app. Whether you've just landed a role or changed positions, I'll walk you through the exact taps and fields so your profile looks polished and up to date. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. On the home screen, tap your profile picture in the top corner. Tap it again to open your full profile page. Once you're on your profile, scroll down until you see the section where you can add experience and look for the plus icon. Tap that, then choose position. This is where you'll enter the details of your new job. Begin with the job title. Use the standard title your employer uses so people can find you easily. Next, select the employment type that fits your role. Full-time, part-time, self-employed, freelance, contract, internship, apprenticeship, or seasonal. Then add the company or organization name. After that, choose your start date. Accuracy here helps recruiters and connections understand your timeline. Add the location for the role and pick the location type that best describes how you work, such as on-site, hybrid, or remote. If you have a profile headline that highlights this new position, you can include it here to make your profile summary stand out. You'll also see a place to add skills related to the role. Choose a few that reflect your core responsibilities. If you have relevant media, like a portfolio link, a presentation, or a brief video, you can attach it to showcase your work right on your profile. Keep your entries clean and consistent. Capitalize titles properly, avoid internal abbreviations, and use terms your industry recognizes. For skills, prioritize the ones you'll use most in this role. You can always refine them later. With media, share only what you have permission to use and what directly supports your new position. When everything looks good, tap Save. LinkedIn will give you the choice to share this update as a post. If you want your network to see your news immediately, go ahead and share it. Sharing can help your connections celebrate with you and spark opportunities. If you'd rather update quietly and skip the post, that's fine too. You can always share later when you're ready. Quick recap: open the app, go to your profile, tap the plus icon, choose position, fill in the details, and save. That's it. You've added your new position on LinkedIn using just your phone. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and congratulations on your new role.